students. Today we will solve the numerical number 3. This is physics from class 9. The question states that what force is required to increase the velocity of 800 kg car from 10 meter per second to 0 meter per second in 10 seconds. First of all, we write the data. For example, we have to calculate force. What force is required? So we will put that force is to be calculated. We'll put a sign of interrogation, that is, we have to find the force. And the mass of the car is 800 kilogram. So mass is represented by m, and m is equal to 800 kg. And the velocity of the car decreases from 10 meter per second to 0 meter per second. So 10 meter per second, this is the initial velocity, and it is represented by vi. It is 10 and meter and per second. To 0 meter per second, this is the final velocity, and the velocity is 0, it means that the car stops. So vf is equal to 0 meter per second, and the time which it takes to stop, that time is represented by t, and it is 10 seconds. Since we have to calculate force, and the formula for force is F is equal to ma. Here mass is given, which is 800 kilogram here, but acceleration is not given. So first of all, we will use the formula to calculate the acceleration. I write here the formula for the calculation of acceleration, which is a is equal to vf minus vi and divided by t. We put the values here. Vf is 0, minus vi is 10, and the value of t is also 10. So dividing 10 by 10, we will get 1. So the acceleration is negative 1 meter per second square. Since the acceleration is negative, it means that the body is stopping, or it is also called the retardation or the deceleration. When we have calculated the value of a, which is minus 1 meter per second square, we put this value here, and the formula F is equal to ma. Mass is 800 kilogram, and the value of the acceleration, this is negative 1. When we multiply this, negative 800 will be the result. Here, since the force, the unit of force are Newton, so the force will be 800 Newton. So what this negative sign shows? This negative sign shows that the force is producing negative acceleration, or is also stopping the car, so its direction will be opposite to the direction of the car. The car is moving thisward in the forward direction, and this stopping force, which will act in the backward direction or opposite direction, so it acts on the body and stops the car. So this is the, when the brakes are applied, then this is the force which is acting in the opposite direction of the motion, so it is negative. And this is also called the decelerating force or retarding force. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lesson.